Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be decorating for fall. But first, let's get into all the fall vibes, and I'm going to start off by making some pumpkin spice coffee.
They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
This is what I'll be using today to clean, and of course I have a link below for you to get all of this for free. And if you spend $39, you get this Grove Caddy for free as well. Before we get started, I'm just going to go ahead and add 3 drops of nutmeg, 3 drops of cinnamon bark, and 3 drops of my orange essential oils. And this kind of just has like a pumpkin pie fall type smell, and I love this diffuser blend for fall. And of course, we cannot decorate for fall without watching this movie. And if you know what this movie is, comment down below because this is one of my favorite movies since I was a little girl. So the first thing I'm doing is having Chris bring up all of my old fall decor. Now I'm going to go ahead and use these 2 bins to put away all of my spring and summer decor that I had out.
Just like another season, not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and go through all of my fall decor and try to just sort everything out. So here I have all of my banners set out in one spot, and then I'm going to walk over here, and these are all of my leaf banners on the ground. I think that's what you call them, garland, leaf garland. And then lots of pumpkins, and apparently I am a fall hoarder, and I had no idea, so I probably should have taken all this stuff out before I went fall decor shopping. And I have all of my signs in one spot. And then all of my flowers and leaves and all of that kind of stuff in one spot as well. And then here are all of my fall pillows. That little truck pillow I usually put outside. Before I put everything out, I'm just going to go ahead and spray down everything with my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. And I'm actually using the pumpkin scent.
Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves. Exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react,
And now Ella decided that we needed to have a little breastfeeding break, so I'm going to do that really quickly and then get back to cleaning. Now I'm just going to vacuum really quickly, and this is going to be a two-part video. I did not finish decorating the entire house. That would be a really long video, so stay tuned for that second video and make sure that you are subscribed. Of course, we can't have a cleaning video without Rookie trying to attack the vacuum. And now I'm just putting out my 3 throw pillows. I usually have more pillows than this, but I only have 3 fall pillows so far. And now I'm just going to decorate my mantle. This is something that I spend the most time on because it's one of the main spots in my house that we look at on a daily basis. And I just feel like it really sets the tone for the living room decor. The white pumpkin that I just put out with the flowers in it, I actually made that using all Dollar Tree products. So if you want to see a video on how I made that, let me know. These gold pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just adding some flowers into my little picture that I already had up here. Just adding in some fall colors. This grateful sign right behind it is from Michael's last year. Now I'm just adding some of my garland. These are kind of like a burnt orange leaf garland. I just felt like it needed one more thing. Next, I'm just decorating the bookshelf in my living room. This little Happy Pumpkin Season sign is also from Michael's last year. And then I'm going to put out a white pumpkin. This is from Target last year. Now we are moving into the kitchen. I'm just putting up this apples, cider, and what's the bottom one say? Pumpkin sign. And I believe this is actually from Dollar Tree last year. This fall sign that I'm putting up is one of my favorite pieces of decor, and this is from Michael's last year as well. Now I'm just using some of the florals that I have. All of these are from Dollar Tree and from Michael's, and I just went ahead and cut off individual pieces of the leaves and flowers. Next, I am just replacing my fruit basket with this pumpkin fruit basket that I got from the Target dollar spot. I have a haul up on my channel from this year as well, so make sure you check out that video. I love these 2 little signs that I also found in the Target dollar spot this year. This pumpkin pie sign is from Michael's last year as well. And then this, how come I never know what this is called? I called it my 3-tiered galvanized platter. But anyway, what is this called? I forget. But I got most of this stuff. These leaves are from Dollar Tree. The pumpkins are from Target dollar spot this year. And the little sign up top is from the Dollar Tree as well.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay.
I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for part 2.
Whenever your heart is broken,